VICKS VapoRub, a staple in many households for generations, is traditionally used to relieve coughs and congestion. However, this mentholated topical ointment holds a surprising array of benefits when applied to your feet and toes. Prepare to be astonished as we uncover what happens when you incorporate this age-old remedy into your foot care routine. 1. Soothing sore muscles. After a long day on your feet, VICKS VapoRub can provide much-needed relief. The menthol and eucalyptus in VICKS have cooling properties that help soothe sore, tired muscles. The fix: simply massage a small amount onto your feet and toes, then put on a pair of comfortable socks. You'll feel the cooling relief almost instantly. 2. Combating fungal infections. Toenail fungus is a common issue that can be stubborn to treat. The thymol in VICKS VapoRub has antifungal properties that can help in combating this problem. The fix: apply a small amount to the affected nails daily. Over time, you might notice the fungus retreating and healthier nails emerging. 3. Softening cracked heels. Cracked heels can be both painful and unsightly. The petroleum jelly in VICKS VapoRub creates a moisture barrier that helps soften and heal the skin. The fix: before bed, apply VICKS to your heels and cover with socks. This overnight treatment helps lock in moisture, leading to smoother, softer heels by morning. 4. Alleviating dry skin. Dry, flaky skin on your feet and toes can be uncomfortable. VICKS VapoRub, with its moisturizing ingredients, can help alleviate dryness. The fix: use VICKS as a daily moisturizer for your feet. Apply a thin layer after a shower to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. 5. Easing cough and congestion ****. Applying VICKS VapoRub to your feet can surprisingly help with cough and congestion, especially when combined with the warmth of socks. This method is particularly popular among parents for easing children's nighttime coughs. The fix: rub a generous amount onto the soles of your feet, cover with socks, and let the menthol vapors work their magic as you sleep. 6. Relieving nerve pain. Some people find that VICKS VapoRub helps in reducing nerve pain and discomfort in their feet. The cooling sensation can distract from the pain and provide temporary relief. The fix: gently massage VICKS into the areas where you experience nerve pain. Repeat as needed for soothing relief. 7. Repelling insects. Did you know VICKS VapoRub can act as an insect repellent? The strong menthol scent deters bugs, making it a handy solution for keeping pests at bay. The fix: apply a small amount around your feet and ankles before heading outdoors to keep insects from bothering you. Final thoughts: unlock the full potential of VICKS VapoRub. While VICKS VapoRub is well known for its respiratory benefits, its uses extend far beyond, from soothing sore muscles and combating fungal infections to softening cracked heels and alleviating dry skin. This versatile ointment deserves a spot in your foot care arsenal. So next time you reach for VICKS VapoRub, remember these astonishing benefits and discover what happens when you incorporate it into your routine.